concentration is a lot about learning about human interaction, communication skills that you can use when you're interacting with other people. We talk a lot about one-on-one interactions, but it really can go with any kind of interpersonal interaction that you have with one person, with groups of people. All of the skills that you learn and the theories that you learn in the interpersonal concentration can help you with any communication endeavor that you decide to have with superiors, with subordinates. They can help you with friends, with romantic partners, with family members, all kinds of different situations. The ideal interpersonal communication student, in my opinion, is someone who is eager and willing to be extremely creative. A lot of the projects that we do in this concentration deal with real life and deal with family interactions and friend interactions and romantic partner interactions. But in order to stand out from the crowd, the ideal student for me needs to be super creative and super eager and super willing to learn. And I think that really is like the best thing that you can have to succeed in this concentration. There are lots of classes in the interpersonal concentration. Every student is going to take some research classes, so you're going to leave with a full research project from start to finish. But then there's also a lot of really fun theory and skill or theory and context classes, like family communication class or the communication and romantic relationships class. There's also a nonverbal communication class. And all of these classes, in my opinion, are really fun. They're interesting. They really can help you in your day-to-day real life. They're going to help you at work and they're going to help you at home. So there's that extra bonus compared to other concentrations where they're helping you in your day-to-day life and at work.
As far as capstone work, I was in family communication class last semester. That was part of the interpersonal concentration, and we did a huge research project on a relationship of your choice. And we did a big research paper, and then we ultimately incorporated our own reflection into that paper.
Just like any concentration, there are two paths that you can take. You can go the graduate school path or you can go the corporate America path. And I would say that if you're going to go to graduate school, the interpersonal program could prepare you for an interpersonal communication program, another one, a graduate program. It could also help prepare you for a counseling program or a psychology program. On the other hand, if you're going to get into the real world right away, you could go into consulting, you could go into human and family and child services, you could go be an advocate for a group of people. I actually have a past student who is a mediator in the court system, so when people are getting a divorce and they're trying to divvy up their items or figure out custody for children, she's the mediator in the middle, and she helps them work through the conflict resolution of their things or of their children. So there's lots of different areas that you can go with an interpersonal degree.
I'm actually surprised how many jobs I'm looking at are involved with marketing, even though I'm communications, so that was kind of unexpected. But